Garlic, mushroom. I use two mushrooms, two kinds of mushrooms. Shiitake and button mushroom. Rice, ano to shiitake, tapos pinokla. Ito I can. So you need to wash it. Because it has preservative. Tomato paste. Basil, fresh basil. Bay leaf or laurel leaf. Thyme and oregano. We will also use fresh tomatoes for our sauce. So pag umiblan tayo, start slow, tapos pataas, palakas. Kailangan ng sobrang blend. Okay lang sa may konting texture pa. Ako. May six pa. Today, so watch carefully. We will saute without oil. I am using ito po ay mushroom. Yung tinagso ko ng mushroom, pwede po natin gawin as oil. Para mas replacement sa oil. Or water. You can use water or vegetable stock. Pero ngayon, we're using yung pinagkabaran ko ng mushroom. And then we will first put the onion instead of garlic.
This is where they soak the mushrooms. The dried mushrooms soaked in water, and so the stuff that came out of the mushroom, the extract of the mushroom, this is the water they use. So they're using it as stock. So no oil.
Kapag nilagay na yung oil, i-reduce nyo yung heat ng konti.
Okay, you.
Substitute sa oil.
Okay, as soon as you place the onions, you reduce the heat so that the onions don't be burned. Yes, I was about to mention. Okay. Yes. The thing is, we don't have anything else, so we are using aluminum, but don't do this at home. Okay. We don't have interest. We don't have our equipment from Manila, so we have to make do with what's available. Okay? But when you use it, when you cook at home, please do not use aluminum pans. Okay?
So ang goal po natin dito, nakita nyo na nag-brown na yun.
Yeah.
Nag-create solution yung
Ito naman pala aluminum, pero ang kakainin naman yung konti lang. Taste lang ninyo. Okay? So, at home, don't use aluminum.
Mas rational cooking the bawang first or is that bawang? The onion first.
Kasi, ayan,
Ano susitay na rin ko?
yung nakita niyo po yung medyo brown, yun yung parang sugar content ng onion. So, in-extract muna natin yung sugar niya. Ang tawag natin caramelization.
Okay, we put the onion first because onions don't burn very quickly compared to garlic. When you put garlic first, it burns and becomes bitter, and you don't want the bitterness. Okay? That's why he put water first, and then he'll put the garlic so the garlic doesn't burn. Do you smell the onions? Okay?
Okay. Pag dry herbs, ito note ha. Pag dry herbs na gagamitin natin, ilalagay natin siya at the first stage ng pagluluto. So, pagka nalagay na natin yung garlic, pwede natin ilagay lahat ng dried na herbs. No,
I'm sorry?
so, yung first dried herbs.
Okay.
What if fresh herb?
Okay. When the herbs are dry, you put it first so that it cooks and it releases the flavor and
Dried, medyo tulog pa yung flavor niya. So, gigisingin
Yes.
natin.
So we're trying to wake up the flavor and the smell of the herbs by putting it at the beginning. Fresh herbs, we put the fresh herbs at the end. Okay?
Before it cooks. Laurel po.
Paminta.
Pero ito po, you can use water po.
What is this,
Tomato paste.
So, lalagyan na natin yung
Ready-made yan, sir? Tomato paste?
Nasa...
wala sa mahal.
Damin, sir. Mountain, sir.
Ang salt po, mag-a-add kayo, every time na maglalagay kayo ng bagong ingredient, you will add a bit of salt. Every time you add a new ingredient, you will add a bit of salt. So, tawag yun parang nag-build kayo ng flavor. Saka ina-extract niyo yung flavor dun sa food na.
Okay, so what he's saying is, instead of putting all the salt at the end, you build the flavor up by every time you add an ingredient, you add a little bit of salt. You always taste it to make sure that the salt content isn't too much as well. Okay?
Wag po sa last part kasi pwede nga over lagay kayo ng salt. Pag sa last.
So you keep on tasting.
Yes.
Tasting and testing.
You give me your email addresses. I will give you a PDF copy of the
Okay na to.
presentation.
Next po ay tomato.
And the last page, I'll put the URL for we already gave you the recipes.
Basil.
I was wondering if there are
The market.
books available. Yeah, but we didn't bring any. So,
Di ba may fresh na na basil? Mas masarap.
Okay. Ito po, before you add another ingredient after the tomato paste, kailangan it should be 1 tone or 1 shade darker. Di ba bright red na siya? So, ilulutuin pa natin siya na medyo mas dark na konti so, sa normal na kulay niya. Medyo makakamoy niya na medyo sweet, tapos medyo natin flavor na po yung tomato paste. Yun na, mag-a-add na po tayo ng tomato sauce.
Tomato paste. Bana.
Nasa recipe, may ratio daw.
Looks like corned beef.
What does Oscarized mean?
blended.
Moisturizer.
Ganito blender na lang.
Blender dapat eh, pero may osterizer.
1/2 kilo.
Panap.
1/2 kilo daw.
2 kilo. Awan na pa.
Okay, so you notice that the tomato paste is now a little bit darker than when it was added. Okay, so that means it is cooked now. Okay.
Sangig ba? Sangig.
Tapos ito circle lang ito ilalagay.
Dark na pa.
Like dark. Okay, so when the tomato sauce, when the tomato paste becomes a little bit more darker, then we can add the fresh tomato that were blended.
Pure tomato, it's water.
Okay, here we
We got
go.
this that it is 1 shade darker, so we can add fresh tomato.
It doesn't matter. Paste is healthier than sauce. Okay.
Ano po, okay lang ba sa inyo matamis na tomato sauce or maasim? Which do you prefer?
Matamis to maasim. That's good because original tomato sauce is tomato sauce is from Italy, right? So the Italians love it salty and sour. Okay? Filipinos love it sweet kasi sweet daw tayo. So sweet and sour na lang para ano tayo.
Sweet bitter.
Again, we're using only a little bit of honey. Okay, so okay naman na So for diabetics, honey is high glycemic index. Okay, we don't want you to use too much.
estimate ko po yung mga nasa 2 to 3 tablespoons.
Nako.
Ayan po. So, isi-simmer po natin to for siguro 30 minutes. So, then nagmamadali tayo. 10 minutes na lang.
Ang point sana po kasi doon, habang sinisimmer, while you simmer the tomato sauce, again, it produces more lycopene, it's healthier. Okay? Plus, the flavors blend better as well. The longer, the healthier. I don't know about sweeter, pero
The
longer,
sweeter,
the healthier.
sweeter as the years go by. Grabe.
5 hours wala na matira. Tutong na.
So, while simmering po, gagawa tayo ng parmesan cheese.
Okay, so who loves Parmesan cheese on their pasta? Not only Parmesan cheese, sir, but we're also gonna
Cheese whiz.
create cheese with today. Okay?
Pwede kong magpa-wash.
Akin na dyan,
For the parmesan cheese, we will need cashews, raw cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic, or garlic powder. Tapos, salt. Wala pa.
Yung sinasabi mong commercial yeast para sa bread yun, that's active. This is dead yeast. Pag
Parmesan cheese, ito ay cashews, plus,
Gano'n po karami yan?
plus nutritional yeast.
Wala ba na?
Garlic.
Unsa na? Unsa to? Unsa na siya? Garlic. Ay, garlic din.
Garlic powder. Pero I prefer po garlic powder. Saka onion powder. Mas masarap to pag may onion powder. Ito medyo mapait to. Onion powder, saka salt. Kung meron.
Ha? Onion powder also. Ay, salt din.
Yan po salt.
Oh, meron. Wala ko na yung
Yes po. Depending on your taste. I suggest konti lang ng garlic powder kasi medyo mapait.
Isali itong suya yan.
Nasa bika.
Tatlo lang sa ingredients dyan.
yung spinya, otherwise, that'll find.
Okay lang. Dukduk ko na lang. Iwan na eh.
So, ito na po ang texture na kailangan ng cheese. Later po, may taste naman po tayo. Mamaya, natago muna natin.
Baka maubos yun. Una na.
Make the cheese whiz.
Cheese whiz.
Ayan. Cashews. Ito po, I soak it for siguro 4 hours na. Ang goal po natin doon, pag sinuok po natin, mas creamy po yung cheese.
sabihin black.
Kailangan natin yung soak. To make it creamier.
How long will be soaked?
2 to 4 hours. 2 to 4 hours.
Na with water?
Okay, mix po natin.
2 to 4 hours daw siya i-soak ang cashew.
Soak cashews.
1 hour lang, 1 hour?
4 hours. 4 ka na, parmesan cheese ka na.
The longer yun na na-soak, the creamier.
Okay.
So, just pre-build.
But is that raw or cooked?
Pimiento.
Nutritional yeast is a very good source of vitamin B12.
Can we store that for a long time?
You can store it in the refrigerator for 7 days. 5 to 7 days.
So you have to consume it within 7 days.
At saka po dapat malamig yung refrigerator talaga. So, malamig yung kasi may mga refrigerator na hindi malamig.
Salt. Konti lang.
Saan ba magpili ang nutritional yeast?
Sa healthy options po.
Ayala, SM. Ayala. Meron din po sa Ayala. Ayala.
Ayala. Meron daw po sa Ayala.
Cheese whiz.
Lemon or calamansi or lime juice.
Madam.
So cheese whiz po ito ang cheese whiz.
Lemon.
Ay, lemon.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Cheese whiz.
Nutritional yeast.
Yeah, that's
Ano yung instead of nutritional yeast?
It retains nutrients. So you can use it as part of whole food.
Granulated.
Okay na yun. Basta
Ano po yan?
May soy milk po yung pinaka-water natin. Instead of water, soy milk. Para mas creamier.
Pero pwede din yun.
Mas creamy.
Pwede din yung isa.
Pwede din ito sa Miller.
Ah,
Ito, sarap yung sa Miller.
mas barato man. Ang good, itansya.
Ito na lang po sa akin. Inumin ko na. Okay, blend.
Sir, meron po ba yan sa Facebook yung how much,
Yung ano,
kung gaano karami?
wala.
Tansya lang. Comment na lang. Tansya na lang.
So, tansya talaga kasi depende sa taste na gusto niyo.
And those are fruit vegetables.
Wala.
Walang water to no?
Apo, soy milk lang po.
Wow.
Wow.
Sir, pati ko lagi nag-taste ko hindi.
Kailangan konting salt pa. Salt and lemon.
Healthy. Lemon is last.
Yan, ang ganda oh.
So, mami.
Panalo na.
I-up na lang sauce niya, Gem.
Calamansi.
Cheese whiz?
Sir, hindi pwede ba yung pepper ba? Hindi pwede yung raw. Dapat kan?
Hindi po siya canned. Raw po yun na binoil.
Apo, ibaboil lang po.
Boiled lang yun. Red milk.
Malapit na maluto yung sauce. Saka lang po natin nilalagay yung fresh na basil.
Basil. Basil. Sweet basil.
Sweet basil.
Sweet pero maanghang.
Minty flavor ang basil.
Can you add any whipping?
Jam, ada ka karon
Peanut
basil.
basil. Would it be okay if we put oregano?
Pwede rin to.
Oregano?
Ano pong available pa yun?
Sangig na, sangig. Pero kung na siya ma. Lahi na siya nga sangig. Kanang sangig ko naman.
Kanang hamis na sangig.
nato gagmay.
Hamis.
Atong sangig na atong common. Ano to kanang
Yan, sa banda, siya marble.
kaya mo palit.
Yung pasta, pag magluluto tayo ng pasta, no need to add oil. So mag-boil lang kayo ng water, lagyan nyo ng salt. Pag nagbo-boil na siya, saka nyo ilagay yung pasta. Tapos, kailangan al dente, ibig sabihin may mga kagat pa kayo na medyo matigas. Parang ganun. Parang may rabi pa sa gitna.
So, pre-cook na yan, sir.
Pre-cook na yun. Tapos, ang original po ng pagluluto ng pasta, di ba sa McDo or sa mall, ibubuhos nila yung sauce sa pasta. Ang totoo po ay kailangan ilagay nyo, i-mix nyo yung pasta mo siya.
Alright, so for our foreign friends, to cook pasta, you boil water, you don't need to add oil, you boil the water, put salt. When it is rapidly boiling, then you add the pasta. Cook it for as long as it's supposed to be. So if this is whole wheat pasta. So you cook it for about 14 minutes until it's al dente. That means it is not overcooked. It is still a little bit rubbery. Okay? And when you cook pasta and you have sauce, you do not add the sauce to the pasta. You add the pasta to the sauce. Okay? That is the correct way, so that the sauce sticks to the pasta and it tastes.